TradingView Paper Trading Non-Tradable Symbol problem, how to fix it in this video. I am going to show you why you see the non-tradable symbol message in TradingView Paper Trading and how to fix it. If you can't place buy or sell orders even though your paper trading account is connected, this tutorial will explain the most common reasons and the available solutions. First, understand that a non-tradable symbol does not always mean there is a problem with your TradingView account. In many cases, the symbol itself is not supported for paper trading. One of the most common reasons is that you're trying to trade an index instead of a tradable asset. For example, market indices are for analysis only and cannot be traded through TradingView Paper Trading. If you want to practice trading, choose a tradable stock, ETF, forex pair, cryptocurrency, futures contract, or another supported instrument instead. Another common reason is that you're using a synthetic symbol created by TradingView. These symbols are designed for chart analysis and cannot be used for simulated trading. If you're trying to paper trade Indian stocks listed on NSE or BSE, you'll also receive a non-tradable symbol message. This is due to exchange data policies that prohibit the use of these symbols for simulated trading on TradingView. This restriction applies only to paper trading and does not affect supported live broker integrations. You should also make sure your paper trading account is connected. Open the trading panel, select Paper Trading, and click Connect. If the account is disconnected, you won't be able to place paper trades. If the problem continues, refresh the chart, reconnect your paper trading account, or sign out and sign back into TradingView. Temporary connection issues can sometimes prevent orders from being placed. If you're using a live broker instead of paper trading, make sure the symbol is actually supported by your broker. Some brokers allow trading only on specific exchanges or ticker symbols, so a symbol available on the chart may not be tradable through your connected broker. Here's a pro tip. Before placing a trade, always check that the symbol is supported for paper trading. Choosing the correct market and instrument can save you time and help you avoid unnecessary errors. And that's how you can fix the non-tradable symbol problem in TradingView Paper Trading. In most cases, the issue is caused by trading restrictions on the selected symbol, rather than a problem with your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.